This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The air filter housing is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Pull up the engine cover to release it from the rubber mountings. Lift the clip and disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Release the spring-type clip and pull the air intake pipe from the turbocharger. Pull the breather pipe from the cylinder head cover. Undo the 2 screws at the front edge and lift the air filter cover from place. Remove the old filter element from the housing. Ideally, use a vacuum cleaner to remove all dirt and debris from the filter housing. Position the new filter element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Engage the lugs at the rear of the filter cover with the housing, then lower the cover and securely tighten the retaining screws at the front edge. Release the clamp, then reconnect the air intake pipe and the breather pipe. Release the spring-type clip to secure the pipe. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug. Position the engine cover lugs over the rubber mountings, then press it down firmly. Check it's secure. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's securely locked.